Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Family in Islam, be kind to your parents. There was once a man who had just become a Muslim. Because he was new to Islam, he wanted to make sure that he was living his life in a way where Allah would be happy with him. He was the only one in his family who had become a Muslim. So he wondered, if I am a Muslim and my parents are not Muslim, should I stay away from them? Should I refuse to help them? He decided to seek an answer for his question from the wisest person of his time, Imam Sadiq. After exchanging salams, he asked the Imam, "My dear mother is very old and she lost her sight. Can I help her and my father even though they are non-Muslim? How should I treat them?" "Of course you should help her," replied the Imam. "In fact, you should be more kind and loving than ever before, especially to your mother since she has lost her sight." After hearing this, the man felt relieved. He thanked the Imam and made his way back home. As soon as he saw his mother, he began to treat her better than ever before. He cooked for her, fed her, washed her clothes, and kept the house nice and tidy. He showed both of his parents a lot of love and care. His mother was surprised. She was not used to her son being this kind to her. One day she asked, "My dear son, when you used to follow our religion, you never treated me this well. Now that you follow Islam, why do you show me so much more love?" Her son smiled and replied, "My mom taught me that Muslims should have good behavior and be especially kind and loving towards their parents." She paused for a moment and asked, "Can I please meet your Imam?" "Of course, I would love to introduce you to him," he answered. The next day, he took his mother to visit the Imam. They had a conversation about some of the beautiful teachings of Islam, and she immediately fell in love with it. When she returned home, she couldn't stop thinking about what she had learned. She was most surprised by how Islam was so different to the rumors she had heard. She regretted having jumped to conclusions in the past. "Next time I hear about something, I'll be sure to research more," she promised herself. Day by day, she began to learn more and reflect more until one day, she too decided to become a Muslim.
قائل لا تعبدون إلا الله وبالوالدين إحسانا.
And be good and kind to your parents.
Prophet Muhammad has said,
Whoever makes his mother and father happy has indeed made Allah happy.